Let's have a little fun learning Thai animal names. Thais often name their animals by the sounds that they make. Different cultures seem to hear sounds differently. For instance, when a rooster crows, an American English speaker hears cock-a-doodle-doo, whereas a Thai speaker hears
เอกอีเอกเอก
Let's learn some Thai animal names from the sounds that they make.
จิ้งจกจิ้งจก
Great to have in the house as they eat all kinds of insects, especially mosquitoes.
ตุ๊กแกตุ๊กแก
These guys are really big. Best to be kept outside.
เขียดเขียด
A tree frog chorus on a rainy season night. The best to go to sleep to.
กบกบอึ่งอ่างอึ่งอ่าง
The first time I heard these guys was on the first rainy night of the rainy season. I thought a herd of cattle had come down my lane.
จักจั่นจักจั่น
The first time I heard a Thai cicada, I was sitting outside having some coffee, and they started singing, and I thought it was an air raid siren. It was so loud. It reminded me of the 1950s in New York City during air raid drills.
จิ้งหรีดจิ้งหรีด
Deep-fried crickets are a popular Thai snack food. I'm not an insect eater, but I tried them. Not bad.
แมวแมว
These are stamps of the Thai purebred cats. They were raised by a late friend of mine, Ed Rose. He taught me a new word, cattery, a place where you raise cats.
วัววัวนกแสกนกแสก
Many superstitious Thais believe that if you hear a barn owl calling as it flies over your house at night, you're in for some really bad luck.
นกกระวาวนกกระวาว
This is one of the parasitic cuckoos. You'll hear him call all night long, sometimes repeating his call dozens of times.
นกกระปูดนกกระปูด
This crow-like bird is a top predator, sometimes eating baby birds, lizards, and even baby squirrels.
นกกระแตแต้แวดนกกระแตแต้แวดนกฮูกนกฮูกนกกระจิบนกกระจิบนกทีสันลิวนกทีสันลิว
The red-whiskered bulbul has many Thai common names. The one we're using here is the one from northern Thailand. He sings every morning outside my bedroom window and is my alarm clock. Good luck on your language learning journey.